How to add people on Snapchat PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add people on Snapchat app on your PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add people on the Snapchat app on your PC, it's actually quite very simple to do so. You can actually just open up your browser and go to web.snapchat.com, because the web version now supports adding people. So when you're logging to Snapchat account from the web, you can click on this little add friend icon here, which is the friends like icon. So here you can see all the friend requests that I have received. But if I want to add a certain friend, all I have to do is from the search bar, I just need to type in the name of the person I would like to add, and here I'll be able to simply find the add names option. So I can click on the add option, I can click on add, and then I'll be able to go ahead and then basically add friends. This way you can add friends on Snapchat web. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.